Hi, this is Jim McIlvaine, the lead content farmer for OPTIMA Batteries, and we're here at the 2019 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada, in Central Hall, OPTIMA Batteries booth 20323 for what is the largest automotive aftermarket trade show in the world. This year we have several things going on. Obviously our standard OPTIMA Ultimate Streetcar Invitational, the world's best all-around street cars and trucks, will be performing at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway on Saturday and Sunday. 85 of those cars qualified and came out here. They're in OPTIMA Alley in between North Hall and the Westgate Hotel. And we found about 10 more cars who we gave golden ticket invitations to for the event and had that press conference yesterday. We also announced the winners of our Ride Shotgun promotion, which we ran earlier this year, and it was a fantastic opportunity for 7 people to take basically dream trips with OPTIMA brand ambassadors on all kinds of different adventures. James Clay is going to take somebody in his BMW around the Nürburgring in Germany. Lauren Healy is going to take somebody in the passenger seat of his Ultra 4 at King of the Hammers. And Edwin Evers, the world's best bass fisherman, is going to take somebody on a fishing trip. And so all those people that won got free trips to SEMA. We also did some battery demonstrations that we hope to have some videos of in the next couple of weeks on the OPTIMA Batteries YouTube channel and Facebook page of teardown demonstrations. And these are a little bit different than what you'll see in a lot of other places because we used an OPTIMA battery through an inverter to power a Dremel Moto tool. And that Dremel Moto tool then cut the battery apart that was being powered, that powered it. It's kind of a circular way to explain it, but we took the battery apart, removed one of the cells, unrolled the cell, and then put positive and negative alligator clips on it. So even though we hammered and chiseled the top terminals off the battery, removed the lid, cut the battery apart and took a cell out, it still had power. So it's kind of a fun little demonstration that we did, and I can't wait to get that video online. We'll have huge photo albums on the OPTIMA Batteries website. That's OPTIMABatteries.com. And we have thousands and thousands of photos from past SEMA shows online in our experience section on OPTIMABatteries.com. So if you want to see some of the amazing cars and trucks on display out here, head over to OPTIMABatteries.com.